Hi everyone, JC from KAOKO here. Today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on installing a KAOKO Throttle Stabilizer on the Kawasaki H2. First off, using an Allen key, we're just going to be loosening the original bar and weight until we can remove it by hand. We then place the 040 thrust washer over the KAOKO right hand side stem and apply some mild thread locking adhesive just to make sure that it fits thoroughly inside the handlebar. Once it's screwed in, we'll make sure that it's fully tight. Once the unit is fully secured, we can then adjust the friction nut's rotational stiffness using the 2mm Allen key provided in the kit, although the default setting would be sufficient for most people. For the left side, we're simply going to add some Loctite since the left hand side does not require a thrust washer. And we're done. If you'd like to see an installation video for your bike, just let us know down in the comments.